Welcome back to Auto Review Pro, where we bring you the latest, most detailed car reviews and updates from the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic and consistently popular vehicles on the road, the all-new 2026 Honda Civic. This latest generation model is packed with fresh updates, smart technology, and refined design choices that aim to redefine what a compact car can deliver. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Honda Civic continues Honda's recent trend of sleek, minimalist styling, but with sharper lines and a slightly more aggressive stance than its predecessor. The front fascia has been redesigned with a thinner, more angular grille and slimmer LED headlights that give the car a more modern, premium appearance. The new bumper features subtle aerodynamic detailing, while the hood has been sculpted to emphasize the car's width and low profile. From the side, the Civic maintains its familiar silhouette but with some new flair. Honda has added new wheel designs, ranging from 16 to 18 inches depending on the trim. The roofline gently tapers toward the rear, giving it a sporty but elegant fastback-like feel. At the rear, the taillights have been redesigned with a distinctive LED signature, and there's a new gloss black trim on the bumper that adds a premium touch, especially on the upper trims. Under the hood, the 2026 Civic retains its proven engine lineup but with several efficiency and performance tweaks. The base models are powered by a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine producing around 158 horsepower, paired with a continuously variable transmission. For those looking for a bit more excitement, the 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder remains available, now tuned to deliver up to 190 horsepower with improved fuel economy thanks to revised engine mapping and reduced internal friction. Honda has also focused on enhancing the Civic's driving dynamics. The chassis has been stiffened slightly for better responsiveness, while revised suspension tuning gives the car a more composed ride over rough roads without sacrificing the agile feel Civic fans love. Steering feel has also been improved, with a new electronic power steering system that provides better feedback and more precision at higher speeds. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Civic is all about refinement and technology. Honda has carried forward the clean horizontal dashboard layout introduced in the previous model but has elevated the materials and overall fit and finish. Soft touch surfaces are more widespread, and there's more contrast stitching and brushed aluminum style trim that gives the interior a more upscale atmosphere. One of the first things you'll notice is the updated infotainment system. Entry-level models come with a 7-inch touchscreen, while higher trims now feature a 9-inch display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface has been improved for faster response and easier navigation, and there's now support for over-the-air updates. Another major highlight is the new digital instrument cluster. Available on higher trims, it's a fully customizable 10.2-inch display that provides everything from navigation directions to safety system alerts in a clear, intuitive layout. The user experience feels modern and premium, with crisp graphics and smooth animations. Comfort hasn't been forgotten either. The front seats have been redesigned for better long-distance support, and the rear seats offer plenty of legroom for a compact sedan. Cabin noise levels have been significantly reduced thanks to added sound insulation and improved door seals. Whether you're commuting in the city or taking a weekend road trip, the Civic continues to be a quiet, comfortable place to spend time. Safety continues to be a priority in the Civic lineup. Honda Sensing, the brand suite of advanced driver assistance features, is now standard on all trims. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition. For 2026, the system has been updated with smoother adaptive cruise responses and better lane centering behavior, especially in stop-and-go traffic. In addition, blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert are available on more trims than before. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Civic remains one of the most economical choices in its class. Thanks to incremental improvements in aerodynamics, engine efficiency, and weight reduction, the 2.0-liter engine is expected to deliver around 35 miles per gallon combined, while the 1.5-liter turbo could reach up to 38 mpg, depending on trim and driving conditions. Honda hasn't announced a full hybrid version of the Civic sedan yet, but insiders suggest a hybrid trim may be introduced later in the model year, possibly sharing components with the Accord Hybrid. This would be a significant move in keeping the Civic competitive in a market that's increasingly leaning toward electrification. As for trims and pricing, the 2026 Civic will be offered in familiar trims, LX, Sport, X, and Touring. The base LX remains well equipped for the price, while the Sport adds unique styling elements and larger wheels. The X focuses on comfort and convenience with heated seats and dual-zone climate control, while the Touring tops the range with leather upholstery, a premium Bose audio system, navigation, and all the tech features Honda offers. Expect pricing to start around $24,000 for the base model and go up to roughly $30,000 for a fully loaded Touring trim. Given the improvements in technology, comfort, and safety, the Civic remains a strong value proposition in its segment. To wrap things up, the 2026 Honda Civic isn't a radical departure from the previous model, but that's a good thing. Honda has refined what already worked well and added just enough new technology and design updates to keep the Civic fresh and competitive. It's still fun to drive, efficient, safe, and now even more refined than ever before. If you're in the market for a compact car that delivers everyday practicality without sacrificing style or performance, the 2026 Civic deserves to be at the top of your list. Honda's attention to detail, focus on driver experience, and commitment to quality continue to make the Civic a standout in a crowded field. Thanks for tuning into Auto Review Pro. Be sure to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest vehicles. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new 2026 Honda Civic, and if you'd like to see a test drive or comparison with another model, drop your suggestions below. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.